No, sir. Look here. Every time I turn on the camera, you guys doing all of these things. Why you not go one side with no foolishness? Huh? Hello, sir. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim, and I'm here with the pups, Diamond and Gangster. So we have here just chilling, and they love the camera. As I turn on the camera, then start doing a whole bag of stuff. Look at them. They turn into adult now, guys. If you're watching if you have been following me and saw when I post Gangster when he just came home, he was a small pup. He was big, but he was a pup. He was pretty big, but he's just a pup. But starting to find out that now he's turned into an adult because he start doing adult stuff, and I didn't know. Yeah. Dogs always jealous. When you play with one, the other one always run come. This thing get jealous. God, man, you're just jealous. You don't want nobody to go around Gangster and play with him. What's wrong with you? Then live loving, you see, guys. And the first two dogs them see come like a human being. They live totally loving, like a husband and wife. Caring. So when we bring Diamond here, Diamond was just a pup. She getting a little itchy. Maybe she needs to bathe. No, she's a big doggy, and she just in eat now. She just in eat, so pretty soon I think they will start mating. Because Gangster, I think his seed just came down, so I think when the seed come down, it's time for them to hump or something like that. He's mature when the seed come down or something like that, my husband told me. And when you see the dog cock up and piss, I think they say they're mature or whatever. Watch. Hello, what kind of business is this here? In front of me? Gangster, really? In front? Look at this, guys. Gangster, you're not no manners. In front of your mom, you're behaving like that. That's not nice. Gangster, that's not nice at all. That's not nice, Gangster. I think just this morning my hubby saw some scratches on Diamond's side. Diamond, come here. Come here, girl. I don't know if you can see some scratches on her side right there. So I think Gangster has started to hump her because we weren't sure. Yeah. Why are you doing that? Crazy. Diamond, you have matter in your eye. Love play. Diamond. Stop. Diamond, stop. What is wrong with you? Stop, man. No, stop. Actually, try for home to me. So you say I'm a big man, actually, big funny. Hello, that's the wrong way. That is the wrong way. what kind of stupid this is that? You're not ready yet, boy. So guys, I think we're gonna be having some puppies pretty soon. Look what I come up here and see them doing. No, sir.
Perfect.
On the road. Yeah, so we're gonna pick some ackee now. So I went to the market, got some vegetables and stuff, macaloo and all of that. And I got some ackee from this nice lady. So I bought 2 dozen. So you know, so ackee can't stay for long. You have to pick it and all of that. You see, you look how it start look already. See? So I have to get it picked like right now. So I'm gonna get it picked. We bought with some saltfish. Yeah. Guys, so we have an ackee here. Look how fast it start to get soft. My god. Someone want to forget to clean up. You know, somebody tell me say when you cook the ackee and put it in the freezer, it is okay same way. But I tried that already and it didn't work for me. I tried to cook the ackee and put it in the freezer, but it was too soft. So I don't bother with that. I just pick it and cook it same time. I don't bother with it. So we're going to clean up with ackee and see what we can get out of it, because it's starting to get soft already. So guys, we finally finish picking the ackee. And this is what I get out of the 2 dozen ackee. You don't really waste up that much still. Just some of them was a little bit soft. But I got some firm nice ones, like even like this one. This one is pretty firm and nice. So it wasn't too bad. It was okay. Yes guys, this is how I'm spending my night. Frying some fish, the escovy, and I'm watching Florence go get a Shirley. She kill me with laugh. All the fish almost burn up. Watching her premiere. It's a girl and an easy actor. They have to turn up on the stove. They watch me fish. They call this girl. Yes, guys. So guys, if you love this nice drama, girl, not too bad. My channel, comment, like and share. And remember to check down in the description below. No, sir. That's how I'm spending my night, guys. I'm looking about some escovy fish. I hope you guys all enjoy my vlog. Yes, girl, you're happy. Yes, guys. Hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification. Leave me a comment. And I'll catch you again in my next video. Bye. I'll go finish up all these fish right now.